అందరికీ నమస్కారం. దీక్ష మాడ్యూల్ 9 ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం వొకేషనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఈ స్పెషల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే మేము ఒక 6 ట్రయల్స్ అంటే 2 ఐడియల్ నుంచి 6 ట్రయల్స్ వేసి వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా రిపీట్ కాకుండా ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ని తయారు చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇవి మీకు ఉపయోగపడతాయని ఆశిస్తున్నాము. ఒకవేళ వీనిలో ఏమైనా పొరపాట్లు దొర్లినచో సహృదయంతో మా దృష్టికి తీసుకురాగలరని, మమ్మల్ని మన్నించగలరని కోరుకుంటూ పాఠం ప్రారంభిద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్: ద నేషనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పాలసీ 2020 హైలైట్స్ రీస్ట్రక్చరింగ్ ఆఫ్ పెడగాగి విచ్ ఫోకసెస్ ఆన్ లెర్నింగ్ టు లెర్న్ అండ్ లెర్నింగ్ బై డాష్ టు బ్రింగ్ అబౌట్ ఏ రాడికల్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్: ఛాలెంజెస్ దట్ ద విఈటి ఫేసెస్. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ రోమన్ 1, రోమన్ 2, రోమన్ 3, రోమన్ 4. 2 మాడ్యూల్స్లో కూడా, అదే 2 ట్రయల్స్లో కూడా ఇది క్వశ్చన్ ఈ విధంగానే ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్: వర్క్ బేస్డ్ లెర్నింగ్ అలౌస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ టు లింక్ నాలెడ్జ్, స్కిల్స్ అండ్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ విత్ డాష్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ వర్క్ ప్లేస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్: vocational dash will help students to understand what people do for living and skills needs for various occupations. Answer is exploration. Now we may see next question. A national vocational education qualifications framework NVEQF was launched by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, that it is MHRD, now known as. Answer is 2012. NQR, National Qualifications Register. Next question: a centrally sponsored scheme of a station of secondary education was launched in 1988. Vocational dash will help students to learn about various occupations and career options in the world of work. Answer is awareness. Next question: NOS, that it means National Occupation Standards. At the end of grade 10th and 11th, external assessment and evaluation of skill component of vocational students is to be taken up by the, answer is, Sector Skill Council. Next question: competency is an dash and measurable knowledge and skills observable. Next question: according to NEP 2020, the focus areas for vocational education will be chosen based on, answer is, skills gap analysis and mapping of local opportunities. Vocational education and training in India is being made aspirational by mobilizing greater participation of youth and reducing the dash between the mismatch. Answer is mismatch. NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation. Next question: the employability skills modules offered as part of the vocational curriculum from grades 9th to 12th include communication skills, self-management skills. Answer: entrepreneurship skills. Next question: a dash certified approach to pedagogy is vital for accomplishing the goals of vocational education through learning by doing. Answer: learner. The apprenticeship training under the National Training Scheme NATS is a dash year program equipping technically vocationally qualified. Answer is 1 year. In vocationalization of education, dash for vocations will help students participate in activities that integrate academic skills with the vocational skills. Answer is preparation. Dash will be formulated by the General Education Council GEC and it shall be synced with the NSQF. Answer is National Higher Education Qualification Framework NHEQF. To facilitate mobility across general education and vocational education, Dash has been recommended by the NEP 2020. Answer is credit based framework. A vocational teacher or trainer should possess the knowledge and skills of teaching and dash what is to be taught to the learners. Answer is practicing. The framework for recognition of prior learning for recognizing the learning experience acquired outside a formal setting and providing a government certificate for an answer is National Skills Qualification Framework. Next question. According to National Educational Policy 2020, internship opportunities to learn about occasional subjects may be made available to students throughout grades. Answer is 6 to 12th, 6 నుంచి 12. Next question. According to National Educational Policy 2020, a dash for the integration of occasional education will be formed to review the state of vocational education. Next question. Inquiry based, project based, and collaborative learning are dash approaches. Pedagogical. Answer is pedagogical. Under the Samagra Shiksha work education, which was earlier known as work experience or socially useful productive work SUPW, will be offered from answer is grade 1 to 5th. Next question. According to NEP 2020, by the year 2025, dash of learners shall have occasional exposure through school and higher education. Answer is 50%. The recognition of qualifications awarded to learners by the industry or employers across the country depends on the skills standards and delivery of VAT. This is the answer. Next question. A separate Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was created in answer is 2014. Next question. Vocational pedagogy is science, art, and a dash of teaching and learning. Answer is craft. Next question. Dash was enacted with the objective of regulating the program of training of apprentice in the industry, means any industry or a business in which any trade. Answer is the Apprentice Act 1961. OJT stands for on the job training. Next question. This is the end. If you having any doubts, please send to me and give your valuable suggestions. Please share, like, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for the watching. Have a good day.